Welcome back to SRC. This week is
Space Week. So today we are going to read The Spacesuit, How a Seamstress Helped Put Man on the Moon by Alison Donald and illustrated by Ariel Landy.
And we'll be making fun galaxy slime, so stay tuned.
Hey guys, it's Space Week, and today we are reading The Spacesuit, How a Seamstress Helped Put Man on the Moon. And it's written by Alison Donald and illustrated by Ariel Landy, published by Maverick Publishing. If you'd like to listen to The Spacesuit, click on the link in our description below.
Welcome to Space Week. Today we'll be making galaxy slime.
So for this craft, you're going to need some clear glue. You could also use glitter glue. You're going to need a bowl, a tablespoon and a cup, lots of glitter, baking soda, and name brand contact solution. So you're going to need to use about 3/4 of a cup of clear glue or glitter glue and put it into a bowl. Now add about 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. And mix that all together. Now you're going to want to add about 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution. You need to make sure your contact solution has boric acid in it. Most name brand solutions do, but just check the label. Now mix it all together. It will start turning into slime, so you might need to move to your hands instead of the spoon. Keep mixing it together until it no longer feels sticky or tacky. Now it's time to add some glitter. Stretch out your slime and add the glitter, then fold the glitter into your slime. Continue to do this process until you think your slime is sparkly enough. Now you're all done, just pull and play.
That's how you make slime, guys. Go have fun.
Thanks for tuning in!